Are you stuck in a job that doesn't inspire you or confused about what career to choose next? Let me introduce you to the Career Dreamer. So how does it work? You open your Google, go to your browser, search for Career Dreamer. Then you see the URL. I'll also be dropping the link to this URL in the description of this video. Click on Career Dreamer. You see how it is. It's still on this experimental stage, but I'm gonna try it because I have a VPN. So if it doesn't open, just turn on your VPN. I have my VPN over here, Urban VPN. I'll turn it on. So from my VPN, it's coming up. I will choose United States. So United States is select. You can, if you don't see it, you can choose it from the list of countries. You can switch here. So just a quick one. This VPN, Urban VPN, is a VPN that you can actually install on your Google extension. So I'll switch to United States. It's not yet connected. Let's connect it. Now I'm not connected. I'm in United States. So I'll refresh this page and you can see that. Hold on. Let's try it again. Go back. Career Dreamer. All right. So just make sure your VPN is on. So here we'll start how it works. It actually shapes your career position. You can see you can explore different career paths. You can actually jump to Gemini to help you to draft out things like your resume, your cover letter, even explore job ideas for you. Then you can actually use that to know the next step to take in your career path. So let's click on start. So over here to start, share your current or previous role over here. So what I'll be doing is, it says 6 words or 60 characters, 6 to 8 words. So mine is modern. So let me just delete it and type NT. All right. So we have this. I'll click on next. My organizations I'm working in and paste. All right, next. So it's generated inside. It's still in an experimental phase, so that's why it's not available in all countries, just only in US. So you can see over here, you can see what it generates for me. Troubleshoot related computer hardware issues. This. Then I click next. So select at least 3 skills to apply. So over here, let's select the ones I'm very good at. Technical troubleshooting. If you hover on it, you can see what it talks about. If you click here, you see when you hover each of them, you can now know the one you can do. Okay, then let's see problem solving. Let's see more. If there are more, you can type it here. Then all right, so I've selected it. I'll click on next. I selected 4 skills. Well done, you have added 4 experiences. Then look at what it's gonna generate for me. IT support, you can see. So over here you can see the different skills. You can see interest. You can add your interest and regenerate. If what interests you, you can add them. Artificial intelligence, industry and fields are interest. So I'll come over here. I'll pick artificial intelligence. So just use AI. Robotics. So you click on next, can generate more insights for you. This is your career statement you can use in drafting out your CV. You can select I build complex system, I create and implement solutions. You can pick whichever one you want. You can pick this, select this and this, click next, and it's gonna redefine it for you. So you see it, I've added it in my interest here. You can add your education, what level are you, and I have industry certification, also have bachelor degree, computer science. Next. So you can see how it refines and select the parts I want: programming language, software development, problem solving, data structures, version control, software testing. Next, see skills that I've added from my education. You can add on the education. If you have added I have a diploma, not school diploma, it was associate degree. Alright, next, so select the skills that we are good in: programming fundamental, embedded systems, circuit analysis, teamwork, and digital design. So with this, each one you add, it refines your, then you can add the experience here. The more you add, the more it refines it. Then when you are done with your refining, you can explore parts. Now here is actually assessing the labor market database to get you result on which part that suits me or suit you. So it's summarizing each result, and wow, you can see a lot of results. So anyone you hover on, robotics engineer, you can see it's what it tells me about it. You can see network administrator, you can see vocational education, 3 to 4 years, the career path, and you can learn more about it. Computer support specialist, 2 to 3 years experience you need. So this is actually okay for those that are going to school. Anyone you hover into, you can see how many years it takes and the experience, the things you need to get in it. So these are everything you have over here. So let's say, let me pick the one that really interests and suits me, as you can actually explore the parts based on your experience and skills. Let me use on my education. So it's exploring all the parts based on your education. You can uncheck anyone and check and apply. So it shovels and gives you this. So I'll be using this software. It suggests and tell you, okay, these are things you need to learn. So, and everything you need. So let's pick one. I'll be picking, I'm really confused right now. All right, let me pick robotics technician. So you can come here, click to learn more about it, and then over here you can see the sweet spot where you are and what you need to know more about it. A day in the life of a technician, robotics technician. These are what you do. Then career and growth, what you need to learn, and you can check the next row. So this actually helps you to analyze and find all the job. Then certifications you can acquire if you really want to go into it. You can also acquire Google Cyber Security. So these are the career path you may want you to upskill yourself in. So you can check next row, network. So this is actually what it's all about. So you can experiment this to get ideas on things to do and how to excel and be good at what you do. So research shows that more people align their careers to their natural strength and 3 times more likely to engage in each or any one over here. So in the career path, you can see all it has here. So with this, you can see that it also helps you to discover your career perfectly and make it to sure that it aligns to your potential. So if you have any question, you can actually drop in the comment below. I would love to know what career path you're dreaming of right now. And hey, this is not just about one person journey. We are building a community of dreamers and achievers. So join us, share your results, and let's inspire others to aim higher. Ready to uncover your dream career? Try Career Dreamer today, your AI-powered career coach. The link is right in the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because every week we share tools and tips on how to grow your career. Remember, your dream isn't out of reach. You just need to know the right path to get there. And Career Dreamer is here to guide you.